This is how to create a realistic tank suspension through Lego. It uses a brake system at the front and can be driven by one motor, but I have used two for extra power. First thing we're going to go over is the brake system. It uses a rack and pinion design where the rack moves across and breaks one of the wheels, and that's how it stops each track. It's probably the most simple way of doing it, but I'd say there are also better ways. In the back we have a Lego differential. This means that both tracks can be a little bit of leeway so that one track can go faster than the other, and that means if you brake one track, the other track would go faster. That is powered through a couple of gears here, and then another one, and then straight into the differential. If you have a differential, you should know how to use it, but I will go into detail on how to make the rack and pinion braking system. Here are all the pieces you'll need to build the front braking system. The hard to get pieces of the servo motor and the rack and pinion. Everything else should be in your box. These wheels should have a small cross in the center, but mine are just different colours. Now this is going to use the servo motor as a base for the build. First of all, you're going to get 4 of these and plug them in the outsides of the servo motor. Then place this down and pick up some of these pieces. You're going to do doubles of these. Put this in the back of it, or in the center. Put your wheel on. Place your red axle piece and a axle connector. Now you just have to do 2 of those. Attach these to the black pins you've already put in. Now you're going to want to get 2 of these pieces. They can be found in lots of Technic sets and also a few monster truck sets. 2 of them, place them on top of one another. It's a red axle in both ends, stick in the same way. Get 2 more, one on top of the other again, and place them in reverse. Now what you're going to want to do is get 2 pins and stick them in this bottom piece here, like so. Then place the ratchet on top of a 4-long flat plate piece, and you're going to sit it in there. It's not attached, it's just sitting there. Then and attach it so that one piece is hanging over the bottom. Now get your axle and your pinion and stick it in there, and that should attach in there. Make sure your piece is centered. There it is. It's your braking system. You're going to want to attach these two pieces here to your two front axle of your tank. Make sure they're undriven axles and not idlers. You could also attach these to the main drivetrain after they go through a differential, but I think that's going to be a lot harder to make, and also it'll make your tank quite high. Thanks for watching, goodbye.